MEW token's up nearly 100% this week. Should you load up on some MEW token, or has this train left its station? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on MEW token as some bullish things are going on. Cats in the dog world is slowly taking over, currently a 99 rank cryptocurrency across the board, and is slowly creeping up the top meme coin list. We can see it is sitting exactly, I believe, at number 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, and number 9 slot at $655 million market cap, up 92% and 3% on the week and 2% on the day. Should you buy MEW token, or has it left its station? Before it's the video, guys, I want to ask, if you haven't already, do make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, as it helps out the channel tremendously and will help you reach your 2024 crypto goals, as we're covering meme coins on a regular basis. And if you don't want to miss out, smash that subscribe button. And like always, none of this is financial advice, always do your own research and due diligence. Now we're taking a look at some maximum potential growth tokens, and that's exactly what cat in a dog world is looking like. Currently trading for less than 1 cent, currently at 0.007 cents. This has a possibility, guys, to hit 10-cent territory, so may still actually be an early opportunity to buy. It's still ranked 99, which again makes it top 100 to cryptocurrency, but for meme coins it could definitely break into the top 50 zone. If that happens, the price is going to grow exponentially. Currently at a $655 million market cap, we could easily see this project hit $1 billion in the peak of the bull run, so make sure you load up now. Again, obviously not financial advice. A whale buy alert. Looks like a whale bought in $170,000 at the price of 0.06. So if the whales are buying in, they definitely see something there, and maybe an opportunity for investors like you and I to load up to make some solid profits. We see experts discover the best altcoins to buy in 2024 to maximize your growth and profit potential. It looks like MEW, MOG, Shib are on this list. So if you want to load up on some top picks, MEW may be a project for you. Talking about top picks, guys, if you want to buy a project that we're very bullish on over here on 99B, guys, let's talk about Play Doge. It is a dog themed token, so it's interesting. I'm talking about a dog themed token and a cat themed token video, but Play Doge is basically the best Doge token that is going to be a play to earn opportunity, a pre-sale opportunity, and a project that has grown massive community. They've already raised $5.8 million in pre-sale loan, and in 3 hours and 53 minutes they're gonna have a price hike. So if you want to buy now at the lowest price, now's your time to strike. Play Doge is a best play to earn mobile Doge companion game. Play Doge is an ultimate mobile play to earn game that brings the iconic Doge meme to life of a Tamagotchi style virtual pet. Secure your play tokens now in pre-sale to earn while playing nostalgic 2D adventure game. So you're playing this Tamagotchi style game and earning Dogecoin as well. What is better than that? Again, I'm mixing an iconic meme with an iconic retro game. Solid roadmap in place, great tokenomics, and cherry on top, guys, it has staking as well. Currently earning 81% AP. Not just that, they're growing rapidly fast on social media as well. We could see over 6,000 followers, guys. Looks like they have a giveaway as well. Constantly posting memes and engaging with the community. So you want to load up on a token that has exponential value. Play Doge might be your play. Link in the description below. But back to MEW token. What's going on with MEW token? Cat in a dog world MEW on Solana. We see a bunch of exciting things. Just a couple of weeks ago, Binance Futures will launch MEW on perpendicular contracts. That's absolutely bullish. Global cat season. We are pleased to announce a new crypto asset that has been added to the Indo DAX marketplace, the cat and dog world MEW token. That's awesome. We can see new listing for DeFi wallet. MEW listed on Solana SPL. That's pretty awesome. Another big listing for MEW token. It's just growing rapidly fast. More exchange listings, which is very bullish for the project. We can see get ready for something big coming to MEW's world. A cat and dog's world is about to take flight. It's a global season on Solana. We see very, very bullish things happening for this project. Again, I love the theme of it. It's like the cyberpunk style cat and dog world. It was for too long. Dogs have ruled the world. Now it's time for cats to take over. Power on Solana, which has been, you know, the chat ecosystem this run. It has a cyberpunk style graphics. We can see the cats are taking over. A dog ruled the world, and that's what the meme coins has been. I'll save all of them. It's a dawn of a new era. Total supply burn, 90% LP burn, 10% air airdrop to the community. That's pretty bullish, a solid project. As for the pump, guys, it has pumped dramatically. When we go to the 1 month, we can see it's been up almost 90%. On the 1 year, we're up 300%. But once we had the KuCoin announcing, it had a bigger pump, meaning there's still space for this project to grow. And I don't think this is a peak of the market. If anything, just fully recover from the dip, this drastic dip that a lot of tokens have faced. And again, it could be setting up for something absolutely massive. The thing is, guys, with the meme coins, people get it early, reap the most rewards. That's why we talked about pre-sale gems so much on this channel, like play Doge. And same with MEW. Anyone who got in when it was dipped about 50-60% is making solid rewards. So make sure you try to buy on the red days opposed to the green days. But again, sometimes opportunities are right in front of you. Like always though, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. And let me know how you guys are feeling about MEW in the comment section below. Are you bullish for the cat tokens? Are you bearish? I want to hear it all. That wraps the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.